In the previous video, we have discussed about the three basic parts of the typical cell, that is the cell membrane, cytoplasm and the nucleus. Cell membrane is also known as the plasma membrane. It forms the outer boundary of the cell. It is a thin delicate membrane. It gives the shape and size to the cell. It allows only the certain selected substances to enter or leave the cell. Cell membrane separate the cell from one another and also from the surrounding medium. It means this cell membrane separate the cell from the surrounding medium and protect the cell from inside. This is the animal cell, but plant cell has also again outer wall other than the cell membrane, that is known as cell wall, which is made up of the cellulose, and it helps us to maintain the temperature variation, high wind speed and atmospheric moisture. Next is the cytoplasm. It is a thick jelly-like fluid which is present inside the cell membrane. It occupies the space between cell membrane and the nucleus. All the life function that takes place in cytoplasm, and cytoplasm have the many cell organelles in them. We will discuss all the cell organelles in detail. Next is the nucleus. It is a dense oval shaped structure bounded by the double layer membrane that contains the genetic material and present in the eukaryotic cell, not in the prokaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell are the human being cell and prokaryotic are the primitive cells that do not contain the nucleus. In animal cell, nucleus is present at the center of the cell and it controls the various vital functions of the cell. Like the cell structure consists in the similar way, if it is a nucleus and in the center it have nucleolus. Outer membrane is known as nuclear membrane. In the same way, the outer membrane of the cell is known as cell membrane and outer membrane of nucleus is called nuclear membrane. This jelly-like structure present in between the cell is called cytoplasm, and jelly-like structure present in between the nucleus is called nucleoplasm. This is the nucleolus. Nucleolus contain thread-like structure in them. These thread-like structure are known as chromosomes, and these chromosomes are the thread-like structure which contain DNA, deoxyribonucleic acids.